Hi everyone, Miss Stevens here. I just threw this video together for those of you who might be interested in using No Red Ink for some practice for the grammar quizzes coming up in class. So what this website does is it gives us some more practice with your grammar concepts. It does a good job of breaking down the material, and the sentences that you work with are usually a bit more entertaining because it customizes the content for things that you're interested in. So this video is just a general highlight overview of some of the things that you could use on this site. First of all, I created a class for us, so I can always assign you things that you might be interested in. For instance, if you look right here, when you sign up for No Red Ink and join the class, you will see this screen. This is a diagnostic test. You don't need to worry about that. But parts of speech review is something that you might want to check out. So just to give you a brief overview here, you'll see that it gives you a tracking of a bunch of different lessons that you can do here. So you'll see there's verbs, adverbs, adjectives, so on and so forth. If you want to get a very thorough overview, you start at the top. So I can say begin here. Notice how I can do practice or a lesson. If I want to do practice, I can click on this. And it's really nice. So it gives you directions at the top. Select all the adjectives. And then it gives you sentences that you actually like. So before you actually do practices, you can choose books, movies, TV shows, bands that you're interested in, and you'll get sentences that look like that. So this is a Harry Potter one. Obviously, I love Harry Potter, so it makes sense. Cedric Diggory doesn't like Bulgarian food. I highlight the word they tell me to do. Submit my answer. Yay, correct. So it does a good job of taking you step by step if you happen to do something wrong. So say I chose the verb here by accident. Not quite. It can show a hint. Gives me a mini lesson here. And then I can try again. So maybe I choose the correct answer next time. Unhighlight that. Correct. Good. So just something that you guys have available to you. I think you might find it helpful. So let me go ahead and see if I can go back here to our main screen. So you can do the quiz that I outlined for you. However, you can always go to the curriculum tab up at the top. And this is where you can just look through grammar in general. And if you want to practice something that maybe we're not doing currently, or you want to revisit something we've done in the past, you can just choose from here. You can do a mini lesson. You can do a bunch of practices. This is a really good way for you guys to get the extra practice that you need to make sure you're understanding the concept you're going over in class. On the top right corner, I just want to point this out. So it'll have your first name as a student. And then if you go here under interests, this should show up automatically for you when you first sign up. But in case it doesn't, you click on your interests. And then this is where you fill out the things that you're interested in. So for here, I did Harry Potter, Lion King, Hunger Games, Star Wars, Black Panther. You have a whole slew of options here. So yeah, there's one right there, The Daily Show or House. So you just choose things that you're interested in, and it will customize it using an algorithm. So it's actually going to have sentences that are a little bit more entertaining for you as you practice. So you fill this out first, and then you can go ahead and get started working on some of those practice problems. Anyway, so that's just kind of a general overview. Again, this won't actually be grades in class, but I think this will be a good extension activity for those of you who want to get a little bit more practice. The link for this is on Edmodo, the invite, so you can sign up, join the class, and get started. Hope this helps.